Hey guys, are you tired of the slow speed of the Samsung Galaxy A13? Then try this trick to make Galaxy A13 feel faster. For that, first go to Settings, scroll down to End, and then go to About Phone. Here, go to Software Information, and now here you will see Build Number on 6th option. Just tap it twice for 5 times. Now give your PIN or password. And after that, developer options are enabled. Go back to settings now, and at end of settings you will see developer options. Just go to it. Scroll down here a bit, and then you will see Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. Open these all one by one and change them from 1x to 0.5x. After changing these, boom, all done. Let's go to home. And by this trick, you can make Galaxy A13 feel faster. If you found this trick helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.